The mysteries of the universe have long inspired great thinkers to ponder life's deepest questions. One such visionary was the legendary inventor Nikola Tesla, whose insights into the hidden power of numbers can unlock our human potential. By following Tesla's philosophy around the special numbers 3, 6, and 9, we too can tap into unseen forces and manifest our greatest desires. Let us explore how this genius scientist came to see numerical patterns in nature and how we can harness this knowledge to live our most fulfilled lives. The story of Tesla is one of imagination, intuition, and unyielding belief in his own abilities to transform the world. Born during a lightning storm in 1856, Nikola Tesla soon amazed all who knew him with his remarkable memory, insight, and innovative thinking. After immigrating to America with only 4 cents in his pocket, Tesla was poised to light up the world. His alternating current induction motor became the foundation for the entire field of electrification as we know it. Yet, Tesla's most private preoccupation was discovering the deeper meaning behind the numbers, especially the set of 3, 6, and 9. Through his research into physics and metaphysics, Tesla became convinced that these numbers contained the secrets of material reality and access to higher realms. If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have a key to the universe, he famously stated. Though Tesla never fully revealed his theories involving these mystical digits, modern mystics have built upon his work by highlighting the recurrence of 3s, 6, and 9s in the pattern throughout nature, science, and religion. For example, there are 3 states of matter, 3 dimensions of space, 3 aspects of time, and 3 forces that govern the universe. Major world religions feature trinities of gods or concepts. Our bodies run on instructions from 3-letter DNA codons. Tesla himself preferred to dine or stay in hotel rooms featuring numbers divisible by 3. By tuning into the vibrational frequency of numbers, Tesla maintained that we can align ourselves with hidden waves of energy and information. Numbers focus our consciousness, beliefs, and expectations in a potent way. Tesla left clues that we too can harness the power of 3, 6, and 9. Start by identifying your goal and writing it as an affirmation in the present tense, as if it has already happened. Write this statement 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times before bed. Visualize and feel the reality of your desire fulfilled. Then take concrete steps each day toward your goal. He never mentioned that you have to take action. You need to take action to fulfill your desires. By channeling Tesla's method, you effectively program your deeper mind to manifest your dreams. The key is consistency, focus, and perseverance. Set aside doubt or perceived limitations. Believe in your unlimited potential. You have it, my friend. We stand on the shoulders of giants like Nikola Tesla, whose insight transcend ordinary understanding. Let us continue our human journey by co-creating the reality we wish to see. The numbers lead the way. Only you have to take action, my friend. Writing won't help until and unless you take action. Now hit that like and subscribe button to support me.